Right, I finally found the short to ground. I was barked up the wrong tree. I thought it was this cable going from the heat resistor to the heated blower motor, but it's not. Every time I was pulling on this, my right hand was moving in the general area next to the heater resistor. Now, if the heater resistor is there, okay, that's the plug going into it. That's brand new. We originally thought that was a problem, but up this harness here, where the cloth tape is, you can just see the rust and where the harness is shorting out against the steel frame for the dashboard. So with the ignition on, I'm going to show what happens with my rig for the light bulb in place of the fuse, the same circuit. So I practically removed the whole dashboard. There you can see there clearly. I've been looking all afternoon for that short. So there it is there, center of the frame. So I rigged up a light bulb here. There into the fuse. I replaced the fuse for the heat blower with the light bulb arrangement. It was a H4 with 2 wires off it. And now when I move I can do this with one hand. There's a shorting. And when I move that harness with my free hand in towards the steel, there it is, it's shorting against the, and that is how you find a short to ground. So now I'm trying to figure out how to repair that. Thank you, bye.